Can you see that, folks? What a damage was yesterday, Thursday, almost like 4 p.m. Almost like 800 miles of windstorm alert going on last night. So this is Friday now. Next day, look at this. Entire city right now here, no electric power. There's the damage everywhere. And tree got broken half, fall down. Right there, power pole got broken half, fall down. How crazily damage going on here. So right now, Friday morning, this is a small city of Terry Mountain, Indiana. Actually, no electric power here. So power company, entire city just shut down. It's just so dangerous. Look at this. Wow. In the morning they cut down some trees, trying to repair. So many electric contractors, they came here already this morning, trying to prepare, planning for this all the damages. Can you believe that? 80 miles of wind blow, 4 p.m. Thursday, last night, yesterday. So entire city, 90% electric out right now. Saturday morning at this time. That's lying. Not working right now because of power. A lot of contractors came here in the cut down there, all the trees to cut down, trying to repair and clean up the city. Holy mess. Local people say usually never this kind of strong wind, throw in this maybe once or twice, entire decades. This is one of the strongest first time in the hit windstorm alert over close by 100 miles an hour. Knocked down all the trees right now, and the electric poles, all that broken half. Can you believe that? I have a wonderful weekend, folks. Thank you for watching. Oh, that's a beautiful big church over there. Sunny day. Good weekend, folks.